All right, so we're going to do the same thing. Find the volume of a cylinder. This time they have given us an 8-inch diameter and an 8-inch height. They want us to express our answer in terms of pi, and they've given us the formula that they want us to use for us to find the volume. So remember that the volume is going to be the base times the height. When we say the base, we're just basically saying the area of the circle. And remember, to find the area of the circle, you are looking for pi times the radius squared, and then you're going to multiply that by the height. So in this case, our diameter is going to be 8 inches, and our height is going to be 8 inches. All right, so now what we need to do is first we've got to figure out what is the radius, because we don't know the radius, we just have the diameter. So remember, to find the radius, if you have the diameter, you're just taking the diameter and dividing it by 2. In this case, our diameter is 8. When we divide 8 into 2, we end up with 4. So now we can solve for our answer here. We're going to leave our pi as pi. So we have pi times the radius. The radius is going to be 4 squared. And then we're going to multiply that by the height, which is 8. So what we end up with is our volume is going to be equal to pi times 16 times 8. And so what we end up with then is going to be, let me see, I think 108, but let me see. So we have 16 times 8, or 118. Okay, 128. All right, so we end up with 128. I like to put my coefficient first, so 128 times pi. And then remember that you just need to um, make sure that we have our unit. Our unit was inches. I'm going to put inches, and that is cubic inches. So that should be your answer there, 128 pi cubic inches.